A bit about myself. I co-founded Diet last year, somewhere around August, September, like end of August, early September. I co-founded it with my college friends, Kushagra, one of my closest friends from college. I've known him since my first year. We were batchmates. Then we ended up being tech chapter. Then we ended up being the co-tech VPs for the same tech chapter. Have interned together. So I've known him for a very long time. Have won several hacks together. In fact, similarly, Palash, he's 2 years junior to us, but he was one of our first hires from his batch in the same chapter. This is Computer Society of India, by the way. So he ended up going ahead leading there, becoming the tech lead during his tenure of the board. So that's how I know the fellow co-founders. And we started back in August, had applied for Y Combinator. September 23rd or 24th was the deadline, if I'm not wrong, for the Winter 21 application. Uh, we I mean, okay, it was kind of like a more of a brave, bold move that, hey guys, let's see what happens. I mean, they do write that they fund ideas. Let's figure out if we can do it. Uh, Wrote the application, filled it up, got our interview on 6th November at 3:30 a.m., which is, I mean, pretty late. Ended up staying up for the interview. The standard YC process for people who don't know is that you write an application, which is a pretty detailed and a long application. They go over your idea, your current progress, traction, market, everything, right? In fact, there are two parts to it. One is a company application altogether, and the second is founder application, which is individually for each founder. So they evaluate you on basis of that, and then if you get shortlisted, you get an interview, which is a 10-minute interview. Uh, you don't realize when it gets started and when it's done. It's pretty quick to the point. I mean, we went in with the idea that, hey, it'll at least be a hi, how are you doing? But it was straight away, how is it this XYZ questions about diet, right? So they basically rain fire on you, which is a good part because it prepares you for probably uh, the most stringent interview you might have. And once that's done, it's just waiting. So the way they work is if you're in, you get a phone call. If you're not, you get an email with a bit of a descriptive text of why they decided not to take you in this batch. The good part about Y Combinator is, unlike others, where it's, like if you go to any B school or any kind of higher education schools, once you get rejected, there's a very unlikely chance that you'll get in once again. The good part about YC is that the more you apply, the higher you have a chance of getting in. Someone in my batch got in their seventh application with the same company and 10th application overall, right? So that just goes to show that how resilient people are for that. So yeah, we had our interview at 3:30, ended up doing well. In fact, we had requested to have it on diet, but due to logistical reasons, that was not possible. The good part is right after the call, during the interview, we were able to tell them to go check it out. And right after the call, we saw that 5 people joined in from US, which just made us, which was something that gave us a sigh of relief that whatever it is, they can at least test the product out now, which was something that we really wanted to bank on because given the background, a lot of people won't take faith on some 20-year-old, 2 years out of college, or for Palash, in fact, just graduated kid, right, with a couple of months and so we had to not able to like sleep throughout and got a call from Michael Siebel in the morning around 7:30ish, where he called, confirmed that we're in, and told us about how the process works, what is going to happen. That's pretty much how our YC journey was. Post which, during the batch, it's a whole different level of energy. The way people work is completely off the chart, right? I've never seen us as well working that hard, that aggressively to achieve something. And I feel it's a lot of the cohort based that, you see peers around you. So you have competition, but you have support as well. So the good part is everyone will try to compete, but it'll always be healthy competition, which means that you'll have people who you can go talk to about things that probably you can't with others, just because not a lot of people understand what it is to go through this journey.